I'm Wijnschenk. We're here at 3DTechDraw, our machine shop in the Netherlands. The company was started 8 years ago by my brother. He actually started in the attic of my mom and dad's house. He got the opportunity to buy some lathes and mills, just the manual stuff. And that turned into CNC machines quite quickly. And that's where I joined the company, starting to program the machines. And this is what it turned into. We started very early within the HSM development. So for us, we grew along with the software. For us, one of the important things of HSM is that it's an integrated CAD/CAM software, because we also actually still engineer stuff for our customers. So for us, it's very important that CAD and CAM are actually connected as one. For us, we need to get the right tools, the right machines to get it right the first time. And it's the same for the CAM software. It needs to be right the first time, and do not make it more complex than it is. Just make the part and do it right. It's hard to take on work when you don't have the machine for it. So we actually buy the machine, like a new machine with new capabilities, and then grow into the actual making of that part. So it means that in the beginning we have 0 parts for it when it comes in, but afterwards it's filled up probably within a year. So we went with the Doosan machines from the get-go. Like the first proper CNC machine we bought was a Doosan. And from there on out, we started to move to Sandvik tools, for example, just to have the best tools we could actually get into the machines. So when we moved to this shop, we tried to make a good layout so we could actually sit here in the middle, program the parts, and see all the other machines running. So we could have the machine run a certain part and actually program the next part for that machine, or a part for another machine, while still keeping an eye on all of them. So where the company actually started in the attic of my parents, it now is a full-blown machine shop with a lot of people that really know what they're doing, having all the knowledge they need to make great parts. Most of them were like self-taught, so we got the machine, figured out how to do it, broke a lot of tools, did a lot of stuff wrong, learned from it, and grew to what we are now, getting like the best equipment we can and just making great parts every day.